everyone, welcome back to the Education One YouTube channel. I'm your host, Desti. Today we're talking some of your burning questions about appealing a refused student visa in Australia through the AAT. Stick around until the end, and if you have any other questions, fire away in the comments. Right, first question. Can everyone appeal a student visa rejection? If your student visa application got knocked back, you can lodge a review and appeal with the AAT. But it's important to note, not everyone gets this chance. Your decision letter will tell you if you have the right to appeal. If it does, you're eligible for an AAT review. In some cases, only the visa applicant or the former visa holder can apply. In other times, it might be your sponsor or a close relative. There can also be situations where you need to be physically in Australia when the decision is made or when you lodge the review. Next question. When you can appeal? There are strict deadlines to keep in mind. If your visa was refused for correct reasons, you only have 9 days to lodge a review after you're notified. For other reasons, you have 28 days from the notification date. And the next question, how long does an appeal take? Well, the wait time for an AAT decision on your student visa appeal can vary. It depends on how complex your case is and how busy the AAT is at the time. Generally, you can expect a response within 2 to 3 months of your hearing. Okay, the next question. How do I write a student visa appeal letter? Start by introducing yourself with your name and passport number. Then clearly state that you are appealing the refusal of your student visa application, mentioning when you applied. Next, address the reason for the refusal based on what your rejection letter says. Explain each concern and correct any mistakes or missing information from your original application. Here's a crucial part. Demonstrate strong ties to your home country. This could be your family, property, or a job. It shows the AAT you intend to return after studying. Additionally, explain why you choose this specific course and how it benefits your future career path. Feel free to include additional documents that strengthen your case, such as scholarship documents or updated bank statements. Finally, conclude your letter by politely requesting them to reconsider your application and thanking them for their time. So here are some essential tips. Be respectful and professional throughout. Double check for typos and grammar errors and keep it concise. Plain English is best, no need to get fancy. If the AAT is satisfied with your information, they might grant you appeal without a hearing. However, if a hearing is required, an AAT member will ask you about your application and consider all the information presented. Okay, last question. How often are visa appeals successful? Well, there's no exact success rate for student visa appeals. Even with help from an education consultant or a registered migration agent, the AAT has the final say. No one can guarantee a 100% success rate. However, working with a registered migration agent can definitely improve your chances. The AAT itself recommends seeking help from a registered migration agent in Australia. They can provide legal advice and ensure your documents and evidence are complete and ready for a decision. Here at Education One, we're proud to say our in-house registered migration agent has a 99% success rate for all visas. It might sound too good to be true, but it's the reality. Check out our past client success stories on our Google profile. Don't just take our word for it. Alright, that's all we have for today. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and share it with anyone you know who might need this information. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. We might even do a part 2 video to answer them all. See you next time, everyone.